In this video, we are focusing on why we need an API. Just look at this scenario where you have an application which is connected to multiple DBs and you have an API which exposes the functionality of that application, which is a generalized use case of an API. If the API is not there, the particular user can access the application directly and invoke the functionalities. The code base gets more and more complex. You put the accessibility constraints in the application. The same fact applies for the security as well. If we need to get the service of that particular application in another application, we need to embed the first application into the second application if there's no API provided by the first application, which introduces additional storage requirements and additional complexity as well. And in most of the settings, that approach doesn't work at all. For an example, think about an online shopping scenario. Most commonly in online shopping applications, when we check out from our shopping cart, we are navigated into a payment gateway which communicates with our bank. The process is happening via the APIs. Your shopping application cannot invoke the functions in your banking application. If it happens, there may be a lot of security concerns, so that your bank provides an API to connect to its services with some restrictions. The usage of APIs is not limited to online shopping. It is there at almost all the services that you access via the internet. Another important facilities that are provided by an API is rate limiting and monetization. If you want to limit the access for a particular user into your application, you can do it in the API level. And also, you can make money from your application by enabling different monetization options. For example, charging per subscriptions, charging per requests, and so on. All these concerns can be smoothly handled by a well-managed API. In the next video, we'll see what API management is.